Hello there, this is Daniele from Toolchefs and welcome to this new video. Today we're going to look at how you can install AtomsHoudini on your machine and also install an Odlock license. So the first thing that you'll have to do is you'll have to create a user on our website if you don't have one already. Then you can go on the downloads page, select Houdini as software and select your operating system. So here I've left Windows. I'm going to accept the terms of agreement, and as soon as you do that, all the AtomsHoudini versions available are going to be displayed in this list here. If you don't see anything here, it means that probably you have the cookies disabled for our website. So you'll have to enable them, and then if you want really to have them disabled, you can disable them afterwards. So you can download AtomsHoudini from this list for your Houdini version. I've already done that. And also, sorry, here we also have access. So these are installers and zip files, which basically will mean that you'll have to install AtomsHoudini manually. For Linux, we just have zip files, but for Windows, you have the installer, so you can use that if you want, which is basically what I've downloaded already. So I'm gonna just run it, and then I'm gonna accept the terms of agreement. I'm gonna leave the default location for the installer. Here you'll always find just one Houdini version, so I'm gonna keep that there. Then here you can select your render engine, so the render engine that you want to use, if any. Here you'll find all the list of the render engines supported, so I'm gonna just leave Arnold enabled. And what the installer will do, it will always install all the files for all render engines, but by enabling these options here, it basically will configure them to be used by AtomsHoudini later. So here you can select the Arnold version that you want to use. And then you want to copy the AtomsHoudini JSON in your documents folder, because basically this is how Houdini will know that AtomsHoudini is installed, and then it will be able to pick all the files from your installation. So I'm gonna click next, and now the installer is installing all the files. Okay, so now this is now finished. If we go in the documents folder just quickly and go in AtomsHoudini packages, you will find the AtomsHoudini file that I was mentioning. And here you'll see that everything has been configured, and also Arnold has been configured, so Houdini will be able to pick up the right procedural later whenever we want to render with Arnold. Okay, so now let's go into Houdini and see how we can install a license. Okay, so the first time you open Houdini, you will see the console throwing some errors, like saying basically that you don't have a license, which is basically what you would expect. So to do that, to fix that, what we can do is we can go in the Atoms menu and go under licensing, open licensing dialog. You can select your license key here, and then contact us at support@toolchefs.com, asking for a trial, and then we can generate a license for you. Then once you have your license generated, you can go on the website, go under my licenses, and here you can accept the terms of agreement, and here you'll find the license, so you can then download it. I've already done that here, and we can go back in Houdini. You can install a license, so let me just copy paste here this path. I'm gonna install this one, and once you have installed the license, you can just close Houdini, and then we're gonna open it again. And now we shouldn't see any error message popping up. So if I go here and I create an agent group, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.